Calvin,
What? Mama?
have you ever seen an acid or a base before?
I don't know what a base is, but I know what an acid is. I've seen an acid called vinegar.
Vinegar? Acids are usually really sour, like a lemon. Yeah! And a base is usually really, really chalky, like this ant acid. Right now, I can feel it in my mouth foaming. When you mix acids with bases, bubbles. Have you ever tried mixing an acid with a base?
No.
Did you know that when you mix an acid with a base, that it usually creates foam? Bubbles. Acid, like vinegar, is really, really sour. A base, like baking soda, is very chalky and bitter. When you mix the two together, it makes carbon dioxide. Watch out, it bubbles up and explodes out of the top of the container. Put the vinegar inside that glass. Baking soda goes in last. Everybody run, there's a mighty blast. It's foam, foam, foam. Bubbles.